Miss my granddaughter. Miss my granddaughter.
You're the Santa.
Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa. Nobody walk.
You're the Santa.
What you tell him for though? What you tell him for a puppeteer trade him for? Oh. Oh, turn that down for me, yeah, cause them are going.
What's wrong there? Come, I hear my... Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not trying to get the money. Oh, Arsha, whatever. Who did this? Mom?
Oh, wow. Turn over with Papa. One gift right here, so he will I did and he turn over. He did lean up on the chair. Oh, good.
Be the Santa.
Huh? What is?
Let me
Hey,
see.
you're in the top and you have shine some more.
Ash. Let me write this, sir.
Even the ketchup.
Then there's a voice in Papa P that I choke me. Here, Max. Here, Max. Shh. He no know say I choke. Next year you can't do that. Oh my God. Oh God. What happened?
Go sit down.
Oh gosh. Papa. Yeah. Papa, see a gift there. Go on, Papa. That is your gift.
Open it, Papa.
Yeah.
You first open your gift, Papa. Come.
Pull it, Papa. Pull it, Papa.
Open it, Papa.
Pull it, Papa.
Hey, Papa, Dad, thank you for me.
Yeah, Papa.
Next year, I have to upgrade him with a force.
Yeah, Papa.
They could start off with that
Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa. Papa, tell them to open up your gift and put it in there, make you drive. That is it, my grandson. That is it.
I think I can catch it. Let's see that.
Mommy, are you ready?
Yeah.
Go in there.
Shan, okay. If Shan open it and not fear. Take them off. Take them off my table, please. And take off and give them off my table. Who for all of them here over here, so?
Kayani and Chevron and mine.
Okay. Yeah, Papa. I same thing. Kai getting over, but I think hers are pink or white. Remember? Yeah, Kai can have it till she have 5. Yeah, them have it for a long time.
Are you getting that, Mommy?
Alright.
Girl, please.
This have to set up.
Yeah, you have to set it up
Bring
here.
it over and make it father set it up.
It would have been nice to have it.
Yeah, yeah.
Fame are driving at the house. And, yeah.
Go buy the extra fee.
Your father come fit.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah, probably. But the man, the little one. The little one. Yeah. Yeah. What do you mean?
Girl, please.
Let's talk. Summertime and best time. So, that's what make it. Yeah. Alright. Let's pick up your girlfriend.
Me not like for you have it in there. You can drive it right in there.
Ready?
When you come over here.
Let's see what this is.
Tell me more. This.
Murphy.
This is ready. Go this side.
Come over the next one.
Who buy that? Open them fast. Open them fast. Amika buy that? What?
Who buy that for you?
Really?
Whoever buy that.
Family dinner yet?
Yes.
So, as I buy it, I told you if you buy Mika?
Yeah, everything I wanted that funny. Cause she live in a mine. Literally.
But that look like 8 and 9. The 9.
That's 9.
Oh, it's 9.
Mika
Okay.
literally live in a mine. Because she wants
Mika have so much crooks. Them,
No.
you don't have a blue crooks and a red crooks.
No, the blue one is mine. You see?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, that's why I'm feeling the laughing.
Who's the right then? Yeah. You don't know your style.
That's right, we have to.
where Papa next gift there? Papa have another gift. Where there?
Dog, it's crazy. Oh my God.
But that is not your Ashana K shoes. Or you open Ashana K gift for?
You sure see Ashana K?
Yes, Ashana K
Say
gift.
to Mika.
A mistake, Ashana
Oh,
K
Sean,
gift.
let me see for your gift. Maybe I don't want it.
Yeah, give it to Sean.
Them they can fix Sean.
Yeah, they can.
Oh, they can?
That's why I buy 10.
How much if you give me?
Cause that can fit me.
How much if you
It's
give
just
me?
a little short.
How much if you give me?
2.
Oh, so you mix it up.
Give it to Mika.
Sean, change.
Once a year.
Chevron, what we feel now? Video Chevron and come off of Mika.
Boy, I will get sweater. Chat about. That is it.
Mom, you know what's crazy? After this?
Yeah.
Woo! One to that.
No, I like this now. It's crazy because I just said we need one red tour bird.
Can bring go Jamaica.
Yeah. So me know say.
For the weather.
Yeah. Exactly. That's how I buy it.
Thank you.
Yeah, Meek. And I say your slippers, they must
Yeah.
have room.
Yeah. It look nice. It look really nice.
Slippers, them.
Let me see it, sir.
Yeah,
I
price.
really like that.
Chevron,
I'm going to
them
use it
foolish,
today.
Oh. Oh wow. You get that? Yeah, you can't just go. You have to make appointment.
Oh, thank you.
What?
Mom, set up business.
Let me see. A Hands and Stone gift card.
What, for
A massage, yeah.
Chevron, you need that. Papa, who Papa give them?
You can't go now. You have to call and make appointment. You can't just drive over there.
Christmas is for the kids, and Mika alone excited. That's crazy. From Auntie, yay! Come on,
You like it?
drum. Yes, Papa.
Sean, check on them pad for me. Check on pad for me.
Don't make it catch over here, please.
Okay, Sean, okay. Bye, you know. Sean, bye.
Oh Jesus! Jump set.
Not feel over here. Feel by mother and father also.
I make up your nice over here.
Yeah, Papa, drum. I'm put it here, Papa. What's that? What is that?
This is us.
Where you want this is as a box? Oh, these are nice. You can't thump it like that. It not gonna work. I look one knife. Yeah, see it scissors here.
Please don't lose it, cause it's
fitted
mine.
this.
Cause it,
You want fitted?
cause it.
You didn't get me. I'm telling her more I want fitted. And she showed me.
Is it too small? A 7.
Size. You know what I'm
Oh my gosh, you are
7 is small.
that. I never buy it now.
You never buy?
Hell no. Actually, buy him something we need.
No, yes, still.
It's too small.
7.5 then.
7.5 you wear. We wasn't sure.
Chevron, catch it.
But tell some real same size as uncle.
Catch it like New York.
No, but I said we gonna figure if you wear same size.
But tell her 7.5 myself.
7.5. Me looking at Max 1. I me see 7.5. I'm tell Janine something guys. Oh yeah. Oh, so this is my gift. I mean, my gift. This. I mean, by your name, you know. You didn't know? So you couldn't call me and make me know say you open up your gift.
You like this?
Me know say you like this because I have one up there where you like. So me say okay, let me give you one.
You know you like this.
You don't like that?
No, man, it's good. It's good.
This.
You don't like the ad?
Yeah, but the room.
You don't like Coach Brand hat?
It's like weird.
You don't like Coach Brand hat? Give me weird feel.
Coaches, I mean, I don't stuff coaches the same.
That no say. That no say.
Well,
Please. Put it by your head, let's see.
no picture.
Yeah, I left that over
That
here.
is
But
it.
it's the auntie here.
I say, alright, bucket hat, I pay a bucket hat you like these days. You don't see I go finna peacock no more, pay a bucket hat.
Wait, they were nice them then at this.
Maybe it one battery.
Yeah. Probably one battery. Cause we want to make beer nice and Shana kid.
My head. My head is not making
No, but I bring him over here. Yeah, one battery. Mommy have battery.
Yeah.
Have a screw.
The battery then, yeah, it one battery, I have to put battery in there.
Alright, let's go.
I didn't see
I
that.
won't buy you that.
What did you do?
Stop back of your old people.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, we know.
Y'all gonna get tired of me.
Yeah, we know. This is something I know where me listen.
Snapback just give the option to adjust the cap. If you can adjust it.
We're not buying none, but me I gonna get you for your birthday.
Oh,
Chef.
mommy, come with me here, gift.
Hmm?
Mommy. This is the like it. Let me do this.
Mommy like it. I like the color. See that over here? It's not fit bad. Yeah,
Let me try to take off that off of it.
Hey.
Yes, Papa. Beat it, Papa.
You done got a whole new boom box.
You like it already or no?
Oi!
That's what you wanted.
Chatbot, yes.
And that's the show.
That is it. The picture there we take.
Yeah, fast.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, for the
Me do it for mommy. But what?
But me not understand why the shade look so dark.
Oh, I'm
Like
not
the
sure.
quality.
Alright.
No, because I'm always use it. I see my banana feet, so it matter how
You like them?
I like them, but the quality look dull, but me like them.
The what that have to do with the
You
people
can
them.
use wireless. You can use.
Cause of the company they tell me say I want it from.
You know what? This. Yeah.
But them have to go work.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, this really good one.
Okay.
We'll put them in my algae right this time.
Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Ta-da! Alright. Pause it?
You know, this are shows. Feel ready.
Yeah.
You know.
Mad.
Coach. Coach hat, coach bag, coach. That is it.
Yes, Chevron.
You're gonna have them there.
You're trying to talk, Shepard.
Why?
Yeah,
That's funny I go on vacation, not
yeah.
of course. The vacation type slippers are summertime. That can fit in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it the brand?
It's
What are you talking about?
Remember my
Have to take off your socks. That is 10. Yeah.
Who get me?
Me.
Mommy.
Your uncle.
Yeah, Max.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you, mommy.
And Max and me get everything.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna come back next year and I'm going on vacation.
And that me know.
So, you're gonna keep it.
So get what me your next gift from me, Siobhan?
There's no more gift.
Yeah, 2 gifts we give her. See it there? It in there. See it there in the same bag?
And what size is it? 10 and a half?
See it there now? Yeah. I tell her now.
Right, that shoes there. No?
See it there. Take it up. No. And you go ahead. She said for our next gift there. She said for our next gift there. A vacation
Yes, Siobhan.
with your shorts.
Siobhan need a black shorts and
With
now.
your shorts.
From the resort.
Yes. A black
I will
shorts.
tell you.
That is it, my son.
Let me see your drum set.
That is it.
One battery.
You come and stick.
No, I'm not seeing a steak.
Give her no nice things. I'm not giving her no foolishness. And I buy foolishness girl now. One time I hear me do this. Not even birthday sometime in a bother. Give her nice gifts.
Yeah, price.
Look like a Asian man. African.
Yeah. That is it. Yeah. Max have a shirt similar to that, but a Gucci. Gucci. Yeah.
Next year, I'm coming back. 2025.
You need a black shorts. You need a nice black shorts. Or even a brown shorts.
Papa, come on.
Boy.
What's going on? Some type of reaction, Papa.
Papa no business with no where I go on. Oh, this is from me. This is from me, Papa.
What a friend in uncle.
You know what your next gift there? From me.
You know, say one thing, Diane Clark.
Puzzle.
See it there? Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, a big bar this year.
Well, I tell you, I'm start buying it from October.
From September. I start buy gift. I just buy them one. I just so me do it. I don't wait long. I don't wait long forget to buy a gift.
Wash.
You wash it, I'll show you.
Want it to wash? I said mine a medium. When me just put
Oh
it on,
God, Jesus.
when me just put it on mine, when me just put it on mine, like,
I saw
oh
it
my
big. I
God.
saw mine big.
Better when you
But buy
do
small.
Then wash and it gone through.
Oh
Because they don't them to the month.
But an extra large, you ask me for. Yeah.
Mommy asked me.
Man, things look like you can't fit me and all around.
Mommy told me that she want fun. So it's fun to buy it.
You just want to get the food.
No, that's cool. That's exactly for the school.
I saw me can do it.
No. And the food is.
That's what I was told.
Papa, you happy?
Thank you so much, my son.
And today here, say you want it.
Thank you so much. I really want that album. A nice one that can hold about 500 pictures. Thank you so much. I love the color. This is my favorite Christmas gift.
I make it look a lot. That's
Yeah.
the name,
I
dear.
love the picture them when Samantha get to me too, but they kind of dark and the wrong picture they missing. And I'm like, enough for her father. You gotta print over the picture then. Your grandson! Your papa, you have business with me. It's what we get from the print.
That's your time.
Let me see.
Thank you.
Did I get? Yeah. And it might automatic story work.
Yeah.
Still, huh?
Alright, come here, wait till what more for me one. When I take up my one morning now. Sean, check that real quick for me again. Check it and turn it. It was them the
Don't
part.
get for running.
No, you shouldn't add no water to it. You should have just turned on the stone.
Wait.
Mommy, oversize for me, bye.
Hey. They look big, but they fit.
Several can't fit you, Sam. Several can't fit you. Seven wouldn't fit you.
Our size is Our size is
No, seven wouldn't fit you.
Our size is
8. Seven wouldn't fit you.
Okay.
Don't push up your foot, sir. Of course.
No, mommy, you see through them here.
Open.
Yeah, it has to
But it look nice. It not look big.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, run it.
And I bring the recipes. Am I from me that Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah, it. What that? That two again?
Boy, ciao.
Yeah.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome.
Me and Mika are twin. And Mika are the same one.
Yes, any careful I get from the figure. Don't get too much gift.
Because I'm a baby. See? Come on. Sean, let me see. Sit down, Sean, and let me see. And then it won't right here.
Yeah?
What size is Sean?
9.
I got the same
This is
thing.
nice.
Stop lying.
With the bottom
Look at
too.
this.
Oh, I get the
Danielle.
bottom.
You like this?
What is that?
Got the jacket. A skinny one.
You like this?
Yeah, well.
You like this?
It can't fit that. I need a bigger size. Yeah.
Can't fit that? No.
Boy, everybody get touring.
Like a Birkin.
Huh?
I got Birkin.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, I'm gonna come over this year. Come here now.
Love it.
That is it. I used to put over the stuff.